Homemade trick to remove the yellow stains from the toilet. I'll start this tip by adding 1 cup of fabric softener into a bowl. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the end result of this trick. I never again had to spend money on those expensive products sold in the markets to remove stains. I'm sure you'll get into your routine, just as you got into mine. I'll also add a cup of Coca-Cola. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Dante Myris from Mexican. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Coca-Cola is the main ingredient to make such an efficient mixture. Using a spoon, we will mix everything very well. You will notice that once you start using this mixture, your toilet will look much brighter. Finally, we will add a tablespoon of baking soda. Using only 3 products present in everyday life, we can make an incredible product. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you the secret. Look how easy and quick it is to do. After mixing everything, just transfer our mixture to a spray bottle. It is with him that we will perform the application on yellowish surfaces. I'm using a funnel to avoid waste. Even your friends will ask you to teach this foolproof trick. The result is really surprising. Tell me if you've ever used Coca-Cola. Any home cleaning tips at your house? I'd love to know. It is with this product, formed by only 3 ingredients, that we will turn any yellowish surface into a much brighter white. I'll start by applying our tip to the toilet. Just give some spritz of our mixture on top of the area you want to remove the stains, then just perform a light brushing. It is not necessary to use too much force. To finish, I will activate the discharge. I'm sure you'll get the same results that I did. Look how much brighter our toilet is already. You can use this product anywhere in your bathroom, especially those that are made of ceramic, since they are usually more difficult to clean. Once again, I will spray a little of our mixture, and with a sponge perform a light brushing. Now just turn on the tap and rinse the area we scrubbed. Look how much brighter the white is. Totally free of yellowish spots. I doubt you've made a tip like this before. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in our next video. Bye.